The Lamborghini Revuelto, which replaces the Aventador, has arrived a bit late to the hybrid hypercar scene but makes a strong entrance with a powerful V12 engine and hybrid technology. During a track test, the car reached speeds of over 174 miles per hour effortlessly and displayed impressive handling, though it suffered from tire wear due to its weight. The Revuelto's hybrid system includes an upgraded V12 engine, 3 electric motors, and a 3.8 kilowatt-hour battery, showcasing Lamborghini's step towards electrification. The car's engineering pays homage to Lamborghini's history, using a transverse V12 layout akin to the Miura and Countach models. It offers a roomier cabin, responsive steering, and effective electrically assisted brakes. The placement of the rear electric motor aids in aerodynamics, improving downforce and efficiency. The Revuelto can drive in electric-only mode and has a combined output of 1,001 horsepower and 534 lb-ft of torque from the V12 engine and electric motors. Despite its lightweight carbon fiber monocoque, the Revuelto is still quite heavy due to its hybrid components. However, it excels on the track and features a fast charge time of just 30 minutes. Its battery prioritizes charge flow over range, offering a short electric-only range. The car maintains its batteries during city driving and canyon carving. The interior is improved, offering comfort, a modern user interface, and luxury, reminiscent of Lamborghini's successful Urus SUV. The Revuelto is a bit late to the hybrid hypercar scene and is heavier than some competitors, but it impresses with its speed and handling. Its modular battery layout suggests future upgrades and improvements, making it a promising entry into the evolving world of hybrid and electric supercars. For now, the Revuelto proves that an electrified V12 can enhance the Lamborghini experience.